Hey guys, WRX. So, been pretty busy. The weather's been really lousy, so I haven't had any chance to work on my STI, or I don't know. I guess I'm one of those guys that only drives it when it's halfway decent outside because I've got a daily driver that I drive, and my STI is just pretty much just there for pleasure driving and whatnot. So I guess through the frustrations of not driving my car, I just keep ordering parts. So just literally about 30 minutes ago, the Postal Service dropped off these two boxes, and as you would guess it, they're from JapanParts. So we'll kind of get into what you get when you purchase these particular parts from JapanParts. And I've noticed that the item description, as far as the title of the parts, are different than what you find here in the States for the exact same part. So I had some questions about what I was actually getting from JapanParts because the pictures kind of showed otherwise compared to buying it domestically for the same part and literally paying twice as much for the same part. So that's why I've been ordering most of my JDM parts from overseas, just because it ends up just being cheaper, and shipping time isn't really that much longer. So we'll just kind of dive into it. So what did I get today? All right, so what I got, as you can see, it's the Lateral link set. This is what is found on your S209s and maybe your 208s and 206s. I don't know. I know it's also on the, possibly on the RA STI. And this one is unknown, and we'll get into that in just a second. So let's talk about this Lateral link set as far as why I purchased it from JapanParts. So as you can see, it's item number Sierra Tango 20250 Victor Victor 000. And with this one, I paid $307.24 from JapanParts when you convert it from yens to or whatever monetary they use. Translated to US dollars, it came to $307.24. Now I looked online and I was going to purchase it from SMY Performance. They have the same set, and their price was $441, but it was a special order part that could take up to 3 weeks to order it. So I figured they're probably ordering it from Japan. So just cut out the middleman, just order directly from them. And then if you go on to the domestic Subaru of America type parts, they're charging anywhere from $623 up to $693 for this exact same set of parts, which is more than double the price. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box to see what you get with the Lateral link set. And as I said, here in the States, they call it something else. So for example, SMY lists this as a JDM STI lower control arms and toe arms. So we'll see exactly what you get with the JapanParts. And my son is going to hold the camera, and let's see what's in here. And as always, everything is just so nicely packed. Love it. So let's go ahead and open the contents here. There's instructions. Some washers, corrugated piece of cardboard here. Pull out one of the control arms here. That's what you're looking for. It has the, I don't know what they call these, pillow bushings or whatnot, but that's what I was after more so than anything else. Here's the other one. Stuff over here on the side. Let's see what we got here. It's amazing how awesome they pack everything. Let's go cut this open. Okay. STI. All right, so that's what you get with the lateral link set. So let's go ahead and put this aside and let's dive into the other box. Actually, you know what? We'll do more than one different video. So let's call this video Good to Go for now. All right, WRX out.